Thibitari-ini ya Kiambu arwaru marokire mena mwihoko wa gutungatirwo no gutiuma na mundu wa kumamukira. Angi maingihirwo ni ruo makoma ite-ini cia thibitari. Arugamiriri a thibitari ino makiruta ndumiriri kuri aria mena arwaru thibitari-ini ino mamagire kuona gutire motungata marikuo na oho makoria thirikari itikire kuhingia ciiraniro niguo macokererie mawira-ini.
Advising those relatives outside there who know that they have got their patients in Kiambu County Hospital to come for their relatives and patients.
Patiently waited for 2 months. They've been postponing this signing. What is it with all this signing? Yeah, the document is ready.
I'm a taxpayer, isn't it? Yeah, I expect that niwe nahudumiwa.
Sisi ni wauguzi daima.
Kaunti-ini ya Naikuru bicanota iyo. Arugamiriri a kiama kia Manathi kaunti-ini ino makinyita mbaru miario ya arunao makiuga kamiti ya mishara ya SRC ndironania wendi mwega hari gutwithania mathina mao.
The only reason that we are not having it is because the SRC has not given a go ahead for it to be signed and taken to parliament.
Thibitari-ini ya Mama Lucy Kibaki guku Nairobi arwaru aria makinyire tene no magunikire kuona no nurses anini tu mauma kuo.
Waliweza kukuja but it has taken time ndio wahudumie those who were there hali.
Rere motungata maurigitani mathiete na mbere gutharara kuringana na muikariri giti wa kanjo ya magavana Josephat Nanok mendekithia ma Manathi megukinyanirio ni commission ya mishara SRC.
Once SRC makes a pronouncement on the matter, county governments will go ahead together with national government will go ahead and sign a CBA with the nurses union.
Ona kuri uguo gavana Nanok ni oritie Manathi macoke wira akiranira ati thirikari ni hariirie gukinyaniria mendekithia mao. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV Titagwo Gathoni wajihia.